Get the best font for mobile app. Download all the fonts from the attached file. And remember, these fonts are for learning purposes only. Use the sans serif font. Your next text will be shown in the small screen of the mobile device, so better to use a sans serif font rather than a serif font. Now, let's see how some of these fonts look. The first one is Arial font. Rubik font. This font we will use in Tinder or Periscope. Lato font. A very nice font for the mobile app. The next one is EXO 2.0. This one is the Montserrat font. Here is the Ubuntu font. This is known as Biba's new font. And at last, we have a very nice font, Roboto, which is overwhelmingly used by Android.